Hello everyone, and today I'm talking about the Garnicia Gold 5000. The Department of Health International new innovative formula for weight loss. Lose 10 kg in 4 weeks without using chemical. Do not stop, no need to exercise. Weight loss expert Mr. Satapon Peter Satapon. Dieting, exercise, and liposuction are the main methods to get rid of excess weight. However, considering the number of obese people that continue to increase continuously, the methods described above cannot be called popular or effective. Garnicia Gold 5000 has become a revolutionary formula that stimulates weight loss naturally. What is the Garnicia Gold 5000? If your body lacks vitamin A, you can eat orange. If your body lacks phosphorus, you can eat fish. If your body lacks vitamin C, you can eat blackcurrant. Only Garnicia Gold 5000 contains effective extract can accelerate the burning of fat in the human body, especially Garnicia extract, which is an excellent antioxidant that not only can help burn fat, but can also help adjust the entire body's working system. Garnicia Gold 5000 has been clinically tested to stimulate metabolism, restore the function of endocrine system, stimulate tissue regeneration, and reduce appetite. This product is 100% organic and can help stimulate the process in the human body. No need to strict dieting because the metabolic system works well and can burn fast mass. A balanced diet can have enough effects on maintain the body metabolic level. Heavy exercise is not needed, just exercising with normal stretching is enough. Main features of Garnicia Gold 5000: burning fat, reducing appetite, normalizing the endocrine system, rehabilitation of the body and removing toxins from the body, improving body shape by burning fat mass. Opinion of the researcher, Garcinia, nutritionist, 43 years of experience in the field. The most important thing is the weight loss process is not destroying your body system. The most popular way to lose weight is that which is it possible for a person to control his diet as on time in addition. For many people, dieting is quite difficult, and when they don't see results, they often turn to pills. But these drugs will simply suppress the system causing hormonal disorder and might spread to the destruction of the immune system. Liver as well. Losing weight should be natural and absolutely do not hurt your internal system. Currently, Garnicia Gold 5000 is the only formula that can be done. The extract and the main component of Garnicia Gold 5000 help accelerate metabolism and burn fat mass. I am sure that this formula is the best that modern nutrition science has right now. It is a scientific product. You can count on the efficiency. The support of Department of International Health that research that result exceeded on expectation. The Department of Health conducted a survey. How do you lose weight? Rate 23%. Garnicia Gold 5000, 47,000. 47%. Alternative medicine 8%. Finding a solution 17%, and did not think that would be possible 5%. Research Result of Garnicia Gold 5000 from laboratory test research institution of the Department of International Health. Planet study on overweight 100 people using Garnicia Gold 5000 as a daily supplement for 1 month without any dietary change. And the following result occurs during the experiment: reduce 5 mass volume between 10 or 15 kg, reduce 15 kg amount 95%, reduce 10 kg 100% amount. Metabolic system has improved significantly. The body is more balanced and has more physical activity. Liver and the endocrine system has improved work. Garnicia Gold 5000 has been proven to effectively increase metabolism and fat burning. Recommended for those who are overweight, experiencing metabolic disorder or diabetes. You can see the product detail in this video description. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe for your channel. Thanks and see you in the video next time.